What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? Today is sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. What is the weather like today? It's hot. It's hot. What is the weather like today? It's warm. It's warm. What is the weather like? It's cloudy. Cloudy. What is the weather like? It's partly cloudy. You see the sun and the cloud. It's partly cloudy. What is the weather like? It is rainy, rainy, or it is raining. What is the weather like? It's windy, windy. What is the weather like? It's stormy, it's storming. You can say it's stormy or it is storming. Storm means severe weather, usually heavy rain, winds, thunder, and lightning. What is the weather like today? It is thunder and lightning. Thunder is a very loud sound that is made sometimes during a very big rainstorm. Thunder is so loud it can be heard from a very far distance. It can sound like a boom, a crash, or a rumble. Lightning is a powerful electrical discharge made during a thunderstorm. Sometimes it happens between clouds. Sometimes it goes from cloud to ground. If it goes from cloud to ground, it can strike a person. What is the weather like? It is sleeting. It is sleeting. How is the weather? It's foggy or misty. What is the weather like today? It is snowy or it is snowing. What is the weather like? It's cold. It's cold. How is the weather? It is slippery or it is icy. How is the weather? It is hailing. It is hailing. How is the weather? It's frosty or it's freezing. What is the weather? It is cool today. Cool means not very warm. So you see here hot weather, cold, cool, and warm. What is the weather like in your city or village today? It is cloudy in my city today. So what about your city? What is the weather like in your city or village today? So guys, I hope you liked this lesson. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you. Bye bye.